Hey guys, welcome on board Ocean for Life. As you can see, I got a new fishing vessel. It's a little bit downsized, but I still managed to catch fish, like you will see. Today I'm out in Strøno. It's in Bjørnefjorden in western Norway, and it's a fairly quiet day, but maybe the wind is gonna pick up. And since this is my first time with kayak fishing, I'm being careful and I'm staying inshore. This kayak is definitely quite stable, but you do pay for it with added weight and slower speed, so I'm not paddling far before starting fishing today. The first spot was clay bottom and no fish, so I quickly decided to move a bit and hit rocky bottom instead. So I've just moved in a little bit because it was too muddy of a bottom out where I was, and now I was able to find a rocky bottom, and I'm probably fishing at 40 or 50 meters depth here, so hopefully there will be cod or common ling. I got fish! This is the first kayak fish. This is the first time catching fish in the kayak, and I'm handling things like a real amateur. First, a near miss. This could be messy. And then a real fail. How is that possible? Idiot! I lost the fish, but I had already gutted it, so I expected it to resurface quite shortly after. And I've been keeping my eyes open, and here it is. So now I'm gonna take it before the seagulls do. Lesson 1 of kayak fishing. This is not a big boat, so I gotta be more careful. This kayak is gonna be put to the test. So I'm just gonna have myself a bit of lunch and a cup of coffee, rebait the hooks, and then I'm heading back out again, trying a little bit more. I've already secured enough for dinner today, so anything more now will just be a bonus. Lunch is over, time to fish a little bit more. I didn't catch anything more this time, so time to head back home, but first a quick stop to do up the fish. So I always make sure I get my fillets and that stuff done before I get home. So I've gone into a little shoreline and I can do it up and bring it home just like I would in a normal boat. This fish was a little bit on the small side. If I could have, I would have let him out again, but once you drag this bottom fish out of the water, then it's difficult to release them again with success. So I forgot my fillet knife, so I only have my diving knife, and really not sure how this is gonna work. I gotta say that going in a kayak for fishing, that was actually very peaceful. It was a lot of fun. So this boat is gonna be used for fishing with fishing line, and I'm gonna put out fishing nets. I'm giving up. I'm gonna have to take the fish home to make the fillet. This is not gonna work. My knife is just not good enough for the task.